Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I will show you how to deposit and withdraw funds on Binance in Australia. To deposit, open Binance, tap Add Funds, select AUD and choose Buy with AUD. Pick the cryptocurrency with you want, enter the amount and pay using your preferred method such as a card or Google Pay. To withdraw, go to Binance P2P, tap Sell, enter the amount of crypto you want to sell, choose your payment method and place the order. Binance will match you with a buyer, and once the payment is confirmed, your transaction is complete. Always double check your transaction details for accuracy and security, and you will be ready to manage your crypto with confidence. That's it. An easy way to manage deposits and withdrawals on Binance in Australia. Thanks for watching and happy trading.